Hello guys. Today I will like to tell you one of the famous interview question which I was faced in one of the product-based companies like Sinocron, Atos, HSBC, IBY. So what they will ask me he has given the input AABC is there. So we need to find the frequency of this string. So approach is very simple. Like we know about hash map. So in hash map, we will store the values in key value format. Key value format. So we have the key and the value. So logic what we can write like it is similar to like in real time. When we go to any shopping mall, one cashier is there, one person is there. His collector. What he will do, he will check how many items you buy. For example, if you buy 5 apples, if you buy 5 mangoes, and then if you buy 5 pineapples. So he will check like how many apples you buy, how many pineapples you buy. So his work is to check. Same way, we need to develop program here. We need to check like how many times A occur, how many times C occur, how many times B occur. So approach is very simple. Like he has given one string. So what we will do, logic is like simple. Like we will check in map whatever string we have given, we will check first if it is present. If it is present, we will increment the value. If it is not present, we will assign with 1. For example, go with A. Here A is there. So here A is there. Now A comes here. It is not there in map. So what we will do? We will increment this value as 1. We will assign value as 1. Okay. Second time it will go. So second time what it will it contain? Yeah, it is there. What we will do? We will increment this value to 2. Now it checks B. B it is not present in the map, right? So what it will do? It will go to else condition. It will assign default value 1. Then second time it will go now. It will go to C. C is not there in map. So what it will do? So C it is not there in map. Then it will assign default value as 1. Here 1. Then A is there. A already present. Here A contains. So what we will do? We will increment the value with 1. So make this value as 3. Once again, we will check A. A it is present. So what we have to do? We have to increment the value with another 3 plus 1, 4. 4. Now B is there. B is already present. So what we have to do? B is already present in the map. Right? B is equal to 1. It is present. We need to increment the value with 1. Oh here 2. Now C is there. C is already present. Yes, C is already present. What we have to do? We need to make C as increment 2. Oh. Now once again C is there. We need to make this value as 3. 3. So once again C is there. We need to make value as 4. So just what we are checking this condition based on this condition we are writing the logic. 4. Once again C is there. If you see last C, yes it is there. So what we have to do? We have to increment the value with 1. No. Why? That's one line. Simple logic is there. Like if condition it is checking whether it is present in map or not. Same way like in that cashier, that person is a collector person. It will check whether apple A is there. Yes, it is. Another is there. He will add 2. He will like increase the count. Same way we will do here also. Same logic is there. So just I will show in Eclipse. You will get to know clearly like how we have to implement this logic. For here, you can see we have created a hash map. Right, one hash map is there. Map count string is there. So key value pair we need to run. So definitely we need to use hash map. So we will use hash map. The thing is what we have to do, because this is a string, so we are passing as a array here. So we are converting string to char array. So how we can convert? S dot to char array is there. It will convert to char array. What? Here we will get C, something C we will take, right? We will use one for loop because we need to iterate this A, B, C, D. Then definitely we need to use a loop for this one. Character, right? Character C, colon, C1. Write this. So C, current C1, we will use what we have to do here. We need to check the if value is present in the map or not. Like here we are checking whether value is present inside the map or not. Same thing we are doing here. If this is a map, we are checking if dot contains K C. See it is there or not. So if it is there, what we are doing, we are incrementing the value, right? What is the value is there? We are incrementing that value. Map dot put here. See, we are incrementing this value. How we are calling this value? Value dot get value. Sorry, get method we are using get C plus 1. Like say, what is the value? Is there a value what we are map dot get? We are from get method we are calling that value and we are incremented value. Else what we are doing? We are assigning only one. If we find if it is not there in the map, then what we are doing? We are just assigning as 1. Simple. See here, I have used also same logic like here map contains key, we are assigning value is equal to value plus 1 or else value is equal to 1. Same way we are assigning same thing here. The thing is now we need to print this value. So for printing this one, we have one approach. For loop, we need to use map is there because map dot entry entry. We will use entry colon. What is the frequency count? Frequency count dot entry set. Here is the entry set is there. Now entry set is there. Just we need to print set sort. We need to get key and value. What we need to print? Key and value, because if you see here, key value we need to print. Get key enter dot get value. That's all. Now run this program. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 5. So this is a simple approach. You can able to do this one. So just I will debug and show you like what internally it is going on. So just put debugger point here, here, here. Now we will run as debug switch variables. Now if you see F6, so previously C contains A is not present. So what we are doing, we are assigning this value hash map value to 1. See F6. Now you can see this value there assigned to 1. Then F6, same way we are doing. A is there, A is already present. So what we are doing, F6, we are incrementing this A value to 1. Here if you see, we click on F6. So F6, now you can see that A value became 2. Same way we are doing for rest of the all, like here where B is there. So B, it is not contained in that one. That will go to else block and it will assign one default value. If you see F6, now you can see 1 is there, like it is for value is 1 for B. Same way, if you see our string, Then C is there. For C also it will go. It is not present. Then comes to this one, assign one value. Right. Now if you see A is there. Now A have value. F6 contains, yes. It will go, it will increment the value. Now A value is 2 previously. Now it will become 3. F6. So 3 is there. So in this way, the code will work. Finally, we are printing from this. So hope you got this logic, how we need to write how we can find the frequency. So thanks for watching, and just share to your friends, colleagues. So I will creating more interview questions on this. Yes, today we like to discuss one of the famous interview question, like we need to arrange the string based on their higher descending order of their frequencies. So previous, if you didn't watch the previous video, just watch that video, you will get to know like how we can find the frequency of a string. So here he has given the input, this A, B, B, C, A, and previous video we have done like A4, B2, D5. We are able to find the frequency. But the requirement is we need to arrange the frequency based, we need to arrange the value based on their descending order of their frequency. Like here it is the output, like 5 C comes 5 times. So 5 times first, then 4 A times, then B 2 times. So for this one, the approach is very simple and it is easy. Like what we will do here, what we will do, like we will take this map one dot entry set. We will get this set. So what we will do, we will pass this set into a list. Why? Because if we want to do collection dot sort, if we know like collection dot sort will work only, we will do sorting based on the key values, or we want to sort two values. So that time we will use this collection dot sort. So that's why we convert this set into a list, passing here. Now collection dot sort, we are passing here list, right? Passing list dot comma new comparator, because two things we need to do, like we need to compare this value. We need to find out like which is the highest or frequency value, right? So we will use comparator for this. Dot over top, only dot later dot there. Comparator, sorry, comparator dot entry key value. So entry key value is same. This one, copy this. Same map dot entry key value. So key value is same here. Character comma integer. Just copy paste this one. Right. Entry comma key. This is the same value. File this one. Now we need to add an implement method here. INTEGR. I think we are making some mistake here. Just I will check like what mistake we are making here. So here just we need to add an implement methods. Here we are getting error. Just check add an implement method. Here you are able to add an implement method. Now what we have to do now, like we are using collection dot sort. What it will do, we will get this list and we will compare this list. So what we will do, compare to argument is there. So S1 here, S2. So we will compare S2 dot get value. Based on the value we need to get the descending order value. That's why we are using comparator dot compare to is their method, and we will use save S1 dot S2, right? So here we will able to get this. Now close this comment. So how we will close here, if we have close. Now what it will do, like first we are converting, first we are getting the map entry set, then we are putting in a set. Then what we are doing, we are doing collection dot sort. So what it will do, it will be sort the string. So now, just simple thing what we have done, same approach, we need to go here, we need to print that list. Go here. So I've got instead of this entry set, what we are doing, list we have now. This list, with this list, with this list entry dot get key, get value. But here we need to add this one, character integer we need to add. Character integer we need to add. Get key, get list is there. Now save this one, now run this one. Now 5 is there, 4. Just we have done like collection, we use collection dot set, this logic we have used. Simple is there, just set and put in the list, then use comparator. That's all. It is a simple way. So I have faced in one of the product based company, like he wants me to do this like by using a map. So that's all from, yeah. Thanks for watching. Share to your colleagues, friends, and don't forget to subscribe on this. Today I will have to discuss one of the famous interview question which I was facing in startup and product based company. So the interviewer asked me like, we need to print second highest descending order of their frequency. The word he used, second highest descending order of their frequency. So I will explain like what is the logic. But before that you need to watch my previous. So what in first video what I have done. In first video I am able to find the frequency of a string. In second video what I have done, like I am able to arrange the frequency based on the descending order. And third video is this, like we are only printing second highest frequency, second highest descending frequency. So here the approach is like, this is the input he has given. If you see here, he has given this input A, B, C is what he wants. Like we are able to find this frequency also. We are able to find the frequency based on the descending order. Now he wants second highest descending frequency. That is A4. This 4 has come second highest frequency. He doesn't want C5, B2. He just want this second highest frequency. How we can achieve that? But before that, was done my 2 previous videos. So here I'm explaining like logic is very simple. What we will do here, like here if you see, where like this process is like to find the frequency. We can print the frequency by using this one, and this logic is there to find the to arrange the string based on the descending order of their frequency, like I have done in previous video. 5 C is equal to 4, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2. Now the approach is very simple. Like what we will do here, we will take one variable int count is equal to 0, right? So before this we will write one condition. If count is equal to 1, then only print this. Break. Just we are stopping. After we are printing, we are stopping. It is like same way like when you go on road or something, you will see something or you need to stop at that place, you will stop. You won't cross another road. Why? There's the reason is like we are using break. Here same way is there in programming also, like we want to stop some execution at some point of time, then we'll use this break. Now the thing is, simple approach is there for this one. Cut plus here font plus. So what it will do, first for loop comes here, it will check count is equal to 1. No, condition fails. Then it will go after if block and it will check count. The count value is 0, previously it is 1. Now it has come. Now it will print second value. So it will print this value. Yes, I will show you here. Run. A is equal to 4. It will print. Just if you debug the code, you will get to know. Here count is 0. No condition will come. It is fail. And we have what we have value. We have this value. c is equal to 5. So it is because this condition is failing now, so it won't go. That's all. So before watching this story, just watch my previous videos. Thanks.